If you're thinking about buying the Laurior Pillow because you've seen ads claiming it can stop snoring, reduce sleep apnea symptoms, improve breathing, and even replace a CPAP machine, you should know there's more to the story before spending your money. After examining the product, its marketing, and the available evidence, the results are far less convincing than the advertisements suggest. Laurior Pillow is promoted as a specially designed pillow with a patented 12-degree elevation intended to keep your airway open while you sleep. While sleeping position can influence snoring for some people, there is no publicly available clinical research proving that the Laurior Pillow itself can consistently deliver the dramatic health benefits being advertised or replace medically prescribed CPAP therapy for people with obstructive sleep apnea. Claims involving doctor recommendations also lack independent verification tied specifically to this product. Another concern is the marketing approach. The website heavily relies on permanent discounts, countdown timers, and limited time offers that appear designed to create urgency rather than demonstrate genuine value. The advertised customer numbers and thousands of glowing reviews are difficult to verify independently, and some promotional content and images show signs commonly associated with AI-generated advertising or stock marketing materials rather than authentic customer experiences. Pricing raises additional questions as well. Similar ergonomic wedge-style pillows with nearly identical designs can be found on wholesale marketplaces such as Alibaba, AliExpress, and Temu for a fraction of the advertised price, suggesting Laurior may simply be rebranding a generic product with premium marketing. There are also customer complaints online regarding similar versions of these pillows, including concerns about quality, comfort, and refund experiences. That doesn't automatically mean the Laurior Pillow is a scam, and some users may find an elevated ergonomic pillow more comfortable or notice reduced snoring depending on their sleeping habits. However, the bold medical claims currently go well beyond the available evidence. If you're considering buying it, it's best to view it as an ordinary ergonomic pillow rather than a proven medical device, and avoid expecting life-changing results based solely on the marketing.